This guy right here. This guy right here. Okay, well, just tap him up so I can get a better picture of him.
That's a hotel. That might be.
Golf Ridge, Golf Home.
Is that say? I don't know, man. I'm lost. No, I'm lost.
There's Dick.
See, full swing. That is.
It says Liberty Kia.
Sun Dog Ranch.
Crossroads. Try to ask that guy. What's Steve?
He's leaving. He's turning.
No, but he hasn't heard yet.
It's got to be up here.
Pull up next to this guy right here in the front.
That's the guy.
Or lady.
Oh.
And we'll see if we can get them all down the window. Try to does your horn work?
Yeah, don't. I'm scared. Not the horn. I hate horns. Excuse me. Hello.
Forget it. Forget it, the light turning. What's up, guys? We missed our first shot.
They're not looking sideways. They're only looking forward.
I know, that's why I was forward. Okay, next time.
Hey, where's the light? Oh, I know where it is. I was going to get it myself, but it's not better not.
Or if you get in the middle lane,
I got.
that way somebody will.
It's up here. I know it is. We can't get lost. Okay, I know that. I've been here too many times. I'm serious.
Okay.
Isn't it neat through here?
Yeah, it is. I like it.
Victorian. I'm gonna be up there on that mountain. Diamond Drive. We must be getting closer.
Diamond Drive.
About the casino yet, but we're on it up here on it. Up here. So keep you updated. Yes. Keep you informed.
Yes. And now back to you, Bob. Or a word from our sponsors.